Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start in Side Settings, so open Focus and select the profile you want to update. Once selected, tap the linked Lock Screen or Add a Pairing. This connects the wallpaper to that focus. Make sure your image is in Photos or Files and roughly matched to screen proportions. This reduces later cropping. When ready, choose Edit or Customize for the lock screen. This opens the wallpaper controls where you'll swap the background and apply changes specifically for that focus mode. Now choose Wallpaper and pick your photo, then use pinch and drag to place the subject where you want it. Precise positioning matters because the focus pairing uses that exact composition. Decide between still, perspective, or depth effects. Perspective moves slightly with tilt. Depth applies layered masking. You can also add a color tint or blur for legibility. Once the image looks right, tap Done and ensure the lock screen/home screen pairing displays the new wallpaper for that focus. Finish by activating the focus to verify the wallpaper appears exactly as intended on your lock screen and, if paired, the home screen. If it doesn't apply, try toggling the focus off and back on or restarting the phone. Small sync glitches clear that way. Make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS because pairing and wallpaper behavior improved in recent updates. If problems persist, remove the pairing and recreate it. Then reapply the image. This rebuilds the association cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.